Yo, what's up guys, back in the video. In this video today, it's going to be a quick one, but I just want to show you guys a little thing I got, a little trick. So here we go. If you didn't see, that was a 360 inward heel flip that took me 20 minutes to try, to watch it in slow-mo at a different angle. Strike it. No. Whoa, hold up. Here we go. So this is the video and I'm out. Peace.